You can actually make money online. Yeah, that's right. And all you need is a computer or a phone with internet access. So in this video, I am going to show you 10 websites where you can actually start making some side cash, or if you are really serious about it, for some good money. Isn't that amazing? On some of this website, you can actually make as much as $100 a day or even more. And the best part is you don't have to quit your job. You can make this money working in your free time. On the internet, there are two distinct ways of making money. The first way is active income. With active income, it's like your normal job. You can get paid for work you do. If you do not work, you don't make money. As simple as that. The second way is through passive income. This is my favorite method because with active income, all you do is put in the work once, and the money in theory should keep rolling in without you having to do any more work other than maybe promoting what you have made, or in some cases what other people have made. So let's get into this video. Number one is Upworks.com. Upworks is a website for freelancers. With Upworks, you are making active income. Businesses and individuals post services on Upworks that they would like to outsource, such as article writing, video editing, app development, coding. There are tons of jobs and services being outsourced on Upwork. The beauty of this, it's low barrier of entry. You just have to be good at something. If there is something that you are good at, maybe graphic design or coding or just about any skill, head over to Upworks and start making some money. Now here is the tip. If you are considering working on Upworks, have a robust profile that looks good. This will drastically increase your likelihood of ever receiving job offers from potential clients. Displaying your best work or highlighting specific experience can and will help you to stand out. Number two is YouTube. Not a lot of people know this, but you can actually make money with YouTube. If you are considering getting into YouTube to make money, make sure you understand one thing clearly. Thanks to the new rules, if you are planning on starting a brand new channel from scratch, you first have to reach the YouTube minimum threshold to get monetized, which is you will need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. Once you have reached that, you can get monetized. How much can you make money on YouTube? Now honestly, as much as you want. You can make money on YouTube as long as you keep uploading good content that people are willing to watch your golden, and the longer video, the more money you can expect to make. You can make anywhere from $1 to 1,000, even hundreds of dollars. The more views you are getting, the more money you can expect to make. And also you get more subscribers with YouTube. What you are earning is passive income. Make a few videos and they should keep making you money consistently. You can also make money with YouTube through paid sponsorship, but paid sponsorship you will need a large audience, usually a minimum of 10k subs to do that. You can also make money through affiliates, but we will get to that later. Number three is Amazon. Although Jeff Bezos did start off the company selling books, Amazon now sells almost anything you can think of. It's not just a site for buying your favorite toys. You can actually make money with Amazon, and here's three ways you can. How? The first way is Amazon Yumturk. Yumturk is a kind of like Upworks. It's a place where businesses outsource work that is too difficult for a computer program to do, such as audio editing and transcribing, translating audio and video from different languages, testing web pages, writing reviews, and a whole lot of other services. You can make as much as $20 to $30 an hour by working on a few different tasks. This is the legit way of making money, and they do pay. This is active income tough. The second way is Amazon Kindle Publishing. Turn your ideas into an ebook and make money today. Every time you buy an ebook from Amazon and the publisher make money, and you can too. The thing is, Kindle Publishing is your first need to book to sell. You can either write this book yourself or you can hire someone to write it for you. You don't have to be an established author or find a publishing company to do this. You can actually do this from the comfort of your home and start earning some passive income. Sounds awesome, right? And the best part is it's absolutely free. So sign up and start making some money. Amazon takes care of the money handling shenanigans, and you can sit back, relax on your couch while making some good old passive income. If you are really interested in Kindle Publishing, I highly recommended you to do research on this topic. You can find free videos and tutorials right here on YouTube that will teach you the basics. If you want to expert advice, you might have to first pay for a course. I will link a really good one in the description if you are really interested in it. Some people make over $1 lakh publishing Kindle ebooks on Amazon. It's definitely a market to look into. The third way is Amazon Associate Programs. This is a very popular and easy way of earning passive income. All you do is sign up to the Amazon Associate Program, which is free. Then you can pick up from thousands of stuff Amazon Pro sales on their website and start promoting. Amazon will give you a special link, and every time someone's buy through your link, Amazon will give you a commission anywhere from 5 to 10% of the sale. Amazon will pay you 60 days after purchase, and you can choose to be paid either through Amazon gift cards, wire transfer to your bank account. Although this is currently only available in US, but if you live in outside America, you can be paid via checks, or you can have the money transferred to your Amazon account and start buying stuff with it. Number 4 is ClickBank. ClickBank is a marketplace for product creators and affiliates to make money online by selling their courses and services to the world. ClickBank only sells digital products, but the beauty about ClickBank is that the commission payout is so much higher than that of Amazon. Some affiliates pay you much as 75% for their sellings services, while other pays as low as 5%. So keep that in mind. But with that said, you can make some really good money on ClickBank, hundreds of even thousands of dollars. Simply head over to ClickBank, pick something to sell, and start making money. Number 5 is Flippa.com. Flippa is the number 1 marketplace for buying and selling online businesses. It attracts a huge audience, and it offers great tools to increase visibility. It's an auction site really much like eBay for those selling and buying digital assets such as websites, apps, domains, Shopify stores, and Amazon FBA accounts. If you are good at marketing apps or even websites, you can actually sell it on online and make some money. Or better yet, if you have some money lying around and you are interested in buying either websites, apps, or e-commerce stores that are already making money, you can do so with Flippa. What happens is you place a bid much like eBay, and if your bid is the highest, then congratulations, because you just bought yourself an online businesses. You can also make money by selling online businesses, so that's Flippa for you. Number 6 is Shutterstock. Basically, Shutterstock is a platform where you can buy or sell digital media such as pictures, music, and video clips, mainly created by freelancers and third parties. So if you might be particularly good at photography, taking amazing pictures and videos, or really good at making sick beats, you can monetize your talent on Shutterstock. The way you make money with Shutterstock is every time some purchases of one of your pictures, you get paid a commission, usually a couple cents to few dollars. If you are lucky to making a lot of money with Shutterstock here to consistently keep uploading high quality images. Number 7 is Rover. Do you like pets, dog in a particular? If so, then you should probably check out Rover. Rover is a dog sitting service, but this is currently only available in US and Canada. So if you live in any of those two countries, then you can register as a dog sitter and get paid for babysitting dogs. You can make anywhere between $80 to $100 a night just by watching someone's dog. You can literally making hundreds of dollars a week by just babysitting someone's pet. Now how about that for deal? Number 8 is TechLessons.com. TechLessons is a website where you can teach any skills. Everyone has a skill that they can teach, whatever that might be. Teaching someone a language, how to cook, how to play a music instrumental, how to solve complex math equations, so much more. Anything that you can think someone else might not know, you can teach people on TechLessons and start making some money. Number 9 is Fiverr. You can have probably heard about Fiverr mentioned a lot of times because it's a simple and easy site to start making money. But if you haven't, basically it's a freelance website where you can literally outsource anything, and I mean anything, as long as it's legal for a little as $5. There are so many different ways to make money on Fiverr, just to name a few. You can do animations, logo designs, packaging designs, web and mobile designs, social media design, Photoshop editing, architecture and floor planning, 3D models and product designing, t-shirts and merchandising, SEO, search engine optimizations, and so much more. If there is any that can be outsourced, you can most likely find it on Fiverr. Head over and check out Fiverr, guys. It's a legit of making money. Number 10 is drop shipping. Now, with the drop shipping, what you are basically doing is selling someone else stuff for a small or large profit without having to deal with shipping. So basically, you are acting like a broker or middleman. You can do this by opening up a Shopify store and then linking up with Obrello. Obrello is basically an app that integrates with Shopify, and it is what a lot of people use to source for stuff what they would like to sell on their stores. The basic principle of drop shipping is you create a store or any channel where people can buy stuff from you. Then once they buy something from you, you pay the manufacturer usually for a lot less than what you got it for, and then have the manufacturer ship it to the customers, all without you ever seeing or touching the project. The best part of drop shipping is that you set your own price for the project you want to sell, then take the profits and pay the manufacturer the rest. So yeah, that's drop shipping in nutshell. If you are interested in drop shipping, there are the ton of tutorial on YouTube that will show you the step-by-step guide of creating your store, finding products, advertising, finding influencers, and finally shipping and getting paid. It's a bit complicated to start, especially in the beginning, but you can make a ton of money with drop shipping. With that said, thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe, enable notification and press the bell icon, and I will see you guys in the next one.